I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the phone off and ejecting the SIM/micro SD tray. This prevents damage when separating the back. Place the device on a clean, flat surface and organize screws nearby so you don't mix sizes. Once done, attach a suction cup near a corner of the back panel and use a plastic pry tool to start a gap. You want gentle, steady pressure rather than force because many backs are glued or clipped and can crack if pulled too hard. You heat the edges lightly to soften adhesive. 20 to 40 seconds at a safe distance is enough. After heating, place the suction cup and lift gently, then insert a thin pick into the opening and work it slowly around the perimeter to separate adhesive. Keep the angle shallow to protect internal clips. Make sure to pause and reheat if resistance increases. When clips are free, lift the back slightly but do not yank. Check for and disconnect any ribbon cables connected to the rear. You finish by disconnecting the battery before you touch other components. That prevents shorts. Replace or renew adhesive strips and align the back panel carefully, then press evenly and hold to bond. Allow a few minutes for the glue to set. If reassembling, tighten screws to snug but not over tight and test power and functions before sealing fully. If the back remains stuck, reheat and check for hidden screws. If the glass is shattered or cables damaged, stop and seek professional repair to avoid further harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.